What's up, y'all? Today we're going to talk about period panties. I understand that this topic might not be for everybody, but this is something that I really been interested in. I really been doing a lot of research on it. The first time I heard about period panties was from Joanne. I think sometime last year she did a haul video, and this was one of the items that was in her haul. But she got the disposable kind. Shortly after that, my daughter, my youngest daughter, Damani, was talking about that she is into period panties and she highly recommend them. She love them. I think she's been wearing them for over a year. So I did a little research, watched a few videos, and I decided to order some. I ordered mine from Victoria's Secret. I did a pickup order as well as 2 online orders, and I got these back in April. I did my first online order the day after. I got these on the 25th, and then I ordered another pair on the 26th for shipping, and then I ordered a third set on May 9th because they were doing a 30% off of one item, and in order for me to get the biggest bang for my buck was to order the 3-pack again. So I got them. The last pair I think I got for like $34, which was an amazing price because the other ones, no discount, regular price. So the first 2 I got were from of course Victoria's Secret, but this is Body by Victoria's Secret. This is more of their high-end line versus the pink line. So these are going to be a little bit higher end. I think that's what the Victoria's Secret stuff is, because I think the pink line, they kind of cater to the younger generation, whereas the Victoria's Secret side caters to the older crowd. So yeah, I got these, and then like I said, I have placed orders for these the 25th and then May 9th. So yeah, I have a total of 3, 6, 7, 8 pair. Got a total of 8 pair of period panties. Crazy. So what is period panties? Period panties is basically a reusable underwear that has a special technology or special crotch area. I would have to post an image because I really don't know, so I would have to post an image of what the crotch is made of. But the period panties is a reusable underwear that you wear anytime throughout your cycle. You could use it on your heavy days, your medium days, your light days, whenever you choose to use them for within your cycle. You can wear them as regular panties as well if that's what you choose to do. You know, I'm just saying. But these are period panties. These are special underwear made for your menstrual cycle. I think over time they become affordable, but straight out the gate, one pair could cost from $15 all the way up to $20 from my research. There's tons of different brands that you could buy from, not just Victoria's Secret, but also if you're not into the reusable style, they do have the disposable style, which is made by Always. And they range from, I think, between $8 and $10 depending on where you buy them at. How do you use the reusable panty? Of course, when you're on your cycle, you will just put these underwear on. You do not need any tampons. You do not need any pads. Because of the special crotch that's in the panties, it will hold up to 3 tampons worth of fluid. Also, Victoria's Secret has different levels ranging from 1 to 3. 1 is for like light days, super light days, whereas 3 is more for like your heavy days. Again, it holds, a level 3 holds up to 3 tampons. Most of the time we change our pad or tampons every hour to 2. You know, depending on your flow. You know how often you change your stuff. I'm just saying, you know, so if these hold up to 3 tampons, which means you probably could wear these panties from 4 depending on your comfort level. I'm not telling nobody to wear them to 4 hours. It depends on your comfort level. As far as smell, no, you do not smell anything. You do not smell the liquid, the fluid at all. It doesn't leave you feeling wet at all. It's just like wearing a pad. It's just like wearing a pad. This is what the panties look like. This is the Victoria's Secret body. This is a size large. This is Victoria's Secret body. As you do see, it has this little design on the front. It's like a little, just a little design with a heart and a V in the front. And as you do see in the front where that pad comes up, and then this is the back. You can actually see the back, it comes up kind of high, as well as the front come up kind of high. And as far as the thickness of the crotch area, to me, the thickness is almost like a regular pad. It might be a little bit thinner than a regular pad. It holds the blood, and the surface still stays pretty dry. You know, you do not feel wet at all. So that's what this pair look like. Like I said, this is the boy shorts from Victoria's Secret, the body line from Victoria's Secret, size large. Also with these are really comfortable. The body by Victoria's Secret, these are really comfortable. But what I do notice, if you have a butt, the back sits a little low. These are really made to like sit on your hips, not necessarily go up high. But for me, the back, it don't come up enough. Let me put it like that. I most definitely have plumber's butt when I wear these. As far as these are the boy shorts by Pink. As you can see, it do have the same pad in it. But as you see, these also have a little stitching from the top to the bottom on both sides, as you see. But the pad is actually right there. That's where the pads stop at. And then in the back has those same stitchings going down from the top to the bottom. But the actual pad stops right there. And then it do have the logo on the back. Okay, so now y'all can see it. As y'all see, and then you have that pad, how far that pad comes up, and it has that same in the front, and then you can see where the pad comes up. But these go a little bit higher. I like the fact that it has that thick band around the waist, and these come up much higher than the body by Victoria's Secret style. And these are actually called smooth boy shorts. So yeah, so once you use your underwear, your period panties, and now it's time to actually change them and clean them. So what you want to do is you want to rinse the crotch part under cold water, and you want to rinse them until the water comes clean. After that, you could either throw them in the washing machine. Do not use any fabric softener or bleach on these, but you can put these in the washing machine with your regular wash. But when you rinse them, you most definitely want to rinse them in cold water. If you don't want to wash them right off, just hang them to dry. Just hang them to dry. But if you do put them in a washing machine, these can go in the dryer on a low setting. Also, Victoria's Secret with their line, you could buy these in a number of colors, a number of different patterns. They have them all. One pair costs $20. That's the drawback from this. Yes, out the gate, they're not super affordable. But long term, I highly think that these are really affordable, because these underwear last a super long time. But depending on how you take care of your period panties, that determines how long they will last. So yeah, you spending a lot of money on the front end, but on the back end, these are more affordable than pads or tampons. Now, I'm not sure how much or what brand of tampons or pads y'all use, but I know I use always pads and then Tampax tampons, and I know they like $10. So just imagine how much you save just on these alone. And like I said, how you use this, how do you wear these? When you come on your cycle, you do not have to use a tampon or a pad. Just put the underwear on. The underwear will collect all of your fluid or all of the blood. So you don't have to have a tampon or a pad. But if you don't feel comfortable like just wearing a straight tampon and you need a backup, then yes, you can use these panties as a backup for tampons. But as far as pads, I feel like that defeats the purpose. You know, why would you wear period panties and then put a pad on top of this? It just makes no sense to me. But that's just me. So me personally, I would probably wear a tampon with these, but never a pad. I did try these overnight and I didn't have any issues. They were super soft. No leakage. They were nice. They were nice. But again, I really haven't gave these a full test yet. You know, just because of my job and, you know, I want to be at home. So more than likely, when I really do a true test of these, I'm going to be off work because I do not want any accidents. But like I said, my daughter, Damani, she loves these and she says she has never, ever had an accident. So let's say you're out and about and you need to change your underwear. This is another inconvenience about the panties, but I love them though. That's all you have to do is just take like a little bag, you know, one of those bags that you would use for like your swimwear, like a wet bag or whatever they call them, that you would use for your swimwear. You could just throw these inside of that bag, and then when you get home you can rinse them out or rinse them inside the bathroom, maybe. That's the only downside about wearing a period panty, because this is not a disposable panty. That's the only drawback with these underwear. Yes, they are affordable. Yes, they are, you know, convenient, just in case you're running low on money and you can't afford to buy pads. I don't know, I'm just saying, you know, this is always a good emergency type of underwear because you just never know. You just never ever know, you know. But the drawback is if you're out and about and you need to change your panties, what do? Only thing you can do is bring an extra pair, bring you one of those little bags, and you just gotta hold on to them until you make it back home. That's the drawback. Yeah, also, like I was saying earlier, they have a number of different colors and a number of different styles. The styles is the boy shorts, which is what I have, or you could brief style, or you could buy a thong style. And the thongs is, to me, means super light. You almost off your cycle, or you have a really light cycle. So that's probably what, if I had a thong, that's the only time I would wear them. I would not ever wear a thong period panty and I'm full blown heavy. No. That's not for me. I'm just saying. So leave in the comments, let me know, have you ever tried the period panties? What is your experience? What brands do you like? Have you tried Victoria's Secret period panties? Leave all that down in the comment area, because your girl, I don't know, this is my first time. So I'm all the way in with this because, of course, I want to save money. I want to help the environment, and this is one way that we all could do our part. If you choose. I'm not trying to force anybody to try or use period panties. I'm just saying. So yeah, leave that down in the comment. What is your experience with the period panties? Have you ever heard about the period panties? Leave that down in the comments. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Thumbs up the video. Hit the notification bell. And I will see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.